What's going on? Yeah, I'm talking to you right there behind that phone, behind that computer, behind that TV, whatever you guys are watching this on. And welcome to another video. And for today, we are going to do another modification to our Blazer. So, stay tuned and I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. And it might have to do with something towards the front of the car. All the cool things in life starts with magic. And I'm going to show you a little bit of Chevy Blazer magic. Ta-da! And if you're ready for the grand reveal, and 3, 2, 1. And here it is. Here's our little magic trick for today. Any idea what this could be? If you look at the title of the video, you guys probably already know. So, that looks very identical to the hood, and that's because it is right here. And for today's video, we're going to be installing the hood deflector on our 2020 Blazer. So this should fit all your models: 1LT, 2LT, 3LT, the RS, and the Premier. So if you guys want to protect your paint, which I highly recommend on these cars, because in the previous past, a lot of people have been commenting on how bad the paint was and how bad they've been chipping and peeling. So what this is going to do is help prevent that. So it's going to fit right along the front of your hood. It'll help deflect, like the name says, deflect bugs, rocks, and all that good stuff out on the road to protect your precious paint. So for your ease, I will be laying this in the comments or in the description below. That way, if you guys want to install one yourself, you guys know where to look for it, and it'll make everything a little easier for you. Quick break in the video, because I'm pretty sure Heather's home. I stole her car today and she stole mine. Say what's up.
Hi.
Man, he's just chilling. He must have had a long day. Alright, and I would be lying to you guys if I said I didn't already previously open this up and look at everything. So within that box I had, it was bubble wrapped. Packaging was great, by the way. Then it also gave you lid tool. Looks like little alcohol wipes. So that's everything you're basically going to need to install this bad boy, and we'll go ahead and get started. So here is the hood deflector. It's wrapped up in plastic, so it's not scratched up or anything. That's just what that is. So let's go ahead and get this hood clean and give it a nice good surface to bond onto. Just so you guys know, this is a 3M tape, I believe. Works pretty well. I have it on my car. So for like the sun visors. And I've had this on for years, 4 years to be exact, and they've never fallen off. So it's all about the step that we're about to do, and that's the cleaning, making sure you have a good bond. But as long as you do that, that shouldn't really go anywhere. Prime example is right there. Alright, this actually comes with instructions as well. Pretty self-explanatory, don't really need that, but it's there if you want it. Alright, I lied. Before we go ahead and clean that, let's go ahead and test fit this on the car. We'll just see how it's going to sit on here. So, I don't know if you guys can tell right here at this angle with the lighting, but there's actually a crease that goes right down the middle of the hood. And this has a crease in this hood deflector as well. You just want to line everything up. And check the sides. So there's your fitment there. Come back to the other side. And there you go. So these contour with the hood. So that's nice. Don't gotta really worry about that. Alright, in that little baggie was some instructions if you really want them. You have your surface prep, and you also have your IPA or alcohol wipes. So we're gonna go ahead and alcohol wipe down the leading edge of our hood where we're gonna install the hood deflector, and then we'll go back and let that dry. As soon as that's dry, we'll run the surface prep. I'm not really too sure what this is or what's in it, but then after that dries, we can go ahead and install our hood deflector. I don't know if these can get any smaller. Alright, IPA, or aka alcohol, is dried. That did not take long at all. These are pretty small, so you'd have to use one per half side of the vehicle. That's what I did. Worked okay. Now here's the surface prep, which, keep in mind, this says cancer and reproductive harm. But it's just like a regular code that you have to throw out there if things are from California or are going to California. So this has like a purple tint to it. Now, far more liquid in here than the other stuff. Alright, now that the surface is clean, next step is we're going to go ahead and remove this plastic that is protecting our visor or deflector. It's one of those satisfying things right here. Nice gloss finish. Alright, so once you have that plastic piece removed here, you're good to apply this to the car. So what you're going to do to kind of give you guys some help installing this is, like the instructions said, you want to work your way from the inside and work your way out. So we're just going to give ourselves a little courtesy tab like this and peel it off to the side. It'll give you access to pull it through once you have it mounted on the car. Okay, and this is the last little tab I'm going to pull. So here you go. You guys can see everything is working on its way outward. So once I get this installed, I can go ahead and pull it off. So like I said, and this has a little centerpiece crease in it, and that's just going to line up right here with the centerpiece of your car. Do not apply any pressure because you're going to want to move this around. So now that I showed you guys all the beautiful angles, look at that. Look at it. Yes, we ended up cracking it, and when I say we, can't blame Heather on this one. I ended up cracking the hood deflector. I ended up cracking it when I was trying to reposition it, and just so you guys know, this is very thin plastic. So be very careful when you guys go to move things like that. Luckily, these aren't very expensive. I can go buy another one. But lessons learned, learn from me. When you guys are gonna go ahead and maneuver these things, sorry, battery died. But as I was saying, use extreme caution when you're gonna go ahead and try to maneuver this around. Because what happened was I had the right side misaligned, so I went to go ahead and pull up on it very slowly, and it ended up cracking right here in the middle. And yeah, so it's an eyesore for now. We're gonna go ahead and order another one. With lessons learned, we won't be breaking the next one. But I just want to let you guys know everything fit pretty well. The installation was really easy. This is really stuck on there. I really doubt that's gonna go anywhere flying off your vehicle. So if you have any questions about that, let me know in the comments down below. But other than that, I do like the look of this as well. Definitely makes the car pop out a little bit more. And yeah, let me know what you guys think about this right here, how it kind of leaves a little gap between the headlights right there. But yeah, there's that little crack. Well, it looks freaking huge from here. But yeah, let it be a lessons learned for you guys. I'm a realistic person. I'm not gonna go ahead and hide that I hid that or hide that I broke that. I'm gonna let you guys know, that way you learn from my own mistakes. And yeah, we'll press on forward. Alright, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as much as I did up until breaking the thing. But yes, we have a lot more mods coming on with the Blazer, so make sure you guys hit that like and subscribe button. Helps keep you guys up to date with the channel on what's going on. But other than that, yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Again, I will link this down in the description below if you guys are interested in it, and we can both attack it back and reattempt to do it together. And this time we shouldn't break anything. Fingers crossed on that. But yeah, the shipping was speedy, boxing was great. Everything was a good experience with the company I bought it from on Amazon. It's just the matter of fact that I mishandled it. So yeah, you win some, you lose some, but it's all good. So with that being said, just want to say thanks for watching. Never live your life on idle, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.